In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use conditional property logic in HubSpot. This approach allows you to tailor your data management and drive organization within your CRM, ensuring that your workflows are as efficient as possible without unnecessary clutter. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, let's navigate to where we need to go. Head over to the trial guide on HubSpot. You can find this easily in your HubSpot dashboard. This area is the starting point for setting up any new properties, and you want to make sure you're in the right spot to implement these changes effectively. Once you're in the trial guide section, look towards the top or side navigation bar and click on Settings. The Settings area is your control center for many configurations and customizations within HubSpot. It's packed with different options, but today we'll focus our attention on what's relevant for managing properties. After you're in the settings, direct your attention to the section labeled Properties. Clicking here will bring up all current property settings and any custom properties you've created before. This is the foundational step before creating any new properties or adjustments. Now, within the Properties section, look for a button that says Create Property. Clicking this button begins the process of adding a new property to your CRM. It's crucial to remember at this point that properties within HubSpot are essentially custom pieces of data. These are especially useful to configure so you're only capturing and utilizing data that's meaningful to your operations. Next, you'll see a field for Property Label. This is where you'll name your new property. Naming it clearly and descriptively will save you a lot of confusion later on, especially if you create multiple properties over time. As you proceed, you'll need to specify what type of object this new property will apply to by clicking on Object Type. HubSpot organizes data using objects such as contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. Selecting the correct object ensures that the data you're capturing resides in the appropriate section of your CRM. And finally, click on the option labeled Call. This selection is where conditional logic comes into play. You might choose a drop-down or checklist as the field type. Conditional logic allows you to specify different rules or behaviors based on certain criteria. This can drastically streamline your data input processes and ensure you're capturing data that's smart and actionable. There you have it. You've successfully navigated through HubSpot to use conditional property logic. By following these steps, you've enhanced your CRM's data structure, making it more adaptable and responsive to your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps make your HubSpot experience even more seamless.